This is a small video demonstration of a receipt-generating website which I have created for a Moroccan bed and breakfast. So, let's start by creating a sample receipt. This client came through Airbnb. His name is Siri Park. He is male, has receipt number 5, entered on the 13th, left on the 16th, and say he paid this much money. So when we create the receipt, we can download a Word document which is formatted as follows, containing all of the information. For instance, the name, the length of his stay, as well as the price written out in words. Going back, we can also go to the statistics page, which tells us how the business is doing. The revenue section divides the total revenue into the two sources of clients and seminars, and the client sources section tells us what percentage of clients came through Airbnb and what percentage came through other sources such as word of mouth. Down here, we then have a list of all the clients, divided again into clients and seminars, and we can also download that data as a CSV file for further processing. Thank you very much.